Hi everyone! Imagine you could hop in a machine and zoom to the past, like watching dinosaurs stomp around, or zip to the future and see flying cars. That's time travel. And we have all seen it in movies like Back to the Future. It's super cool to think about, but can it really happen? Today, we are going to figure out if time travel is just a fun story or something science says is possible. Let's dive in. It's going to be a wild ride. First, let's talk about time. To us, it's like a line that keeps moving forward. You wake up, eat lunch, go to the bed, time just marches on. But a smart guy named Albert Einstein said time isn't so simple. He figured out it's stretchy like a rubber band. It can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you move or where you are. He called this mix of time and space space time. Here's an example. If you zoom super fast in a spaceship, time slows down for you. Or if you are near something heavy like a giant star, time slows down too. It's weird, but it's true. Scientists have even tested this. So time isn't the same for everyone. Good news. Traveling to the future is possible. How? By going really fast or being near something super heavy. Einstein called this time dilation, which just means time stretching. Imagine you get in a spaceship and fly almost as fast as light. That's crazy fast, like 300,000 kilometers just in a second. You zip around for 5 years, then come back to Earth. Guess what? More time passed here, like 50 years. You are still young, but your friends are old. You have jumped to the future. Astronauts in space already do this in a tiny bit because they move faster than us on Earth. Or picture hanging out near a black hole where gravity is so strong it slows time. 1 hour there and years pass back home. So going forward in time, we can do that. Now going back in time, like to fix a mistake or see pirates is harder. Einstein's ideas don't say no, but it's not simple. One way might be wormholes. Think of space-time like a piece of paper. Fold it, poke a hole, and you have got a tunnel. That tunnel could take you to another time, not just another place. But here's the problem. We have never found a wormhole. They would be super small and fall apart fast unless we use something weird called negative energy to hold them open. We don't know how to make that yet. Another idea is cosmic strings, long skinny leftovers from when the universe started. If two of them moved super fast past each other, they might twist time and let you go back. But we haven't seen those either. So going to the past, maybe, but it's a big maybe. Let's say we build a time machine and go back. Now we have got a problem. What if you mess things up? Like you stop your grandparents from meeting. If they don't meet, you are not born. But if you are not born, how did you go back? That's called paradox. And it makes your head spin. One fix is this. Maybe every time you change the past, you make a new world. In one world, your grandparents meet, in another, they don't. You just jump to a different story. Another idea is that the past can change. Whatever you do back there already happened, so you can't mess it up. Both ideas are tricky, but they mean going back might not be impossible, just really confusing. So, what's the deal in 2025? We can't jump in a car and visit the past like in movies. But we have tested some of this stuff. Scientists smash tiny bits of stuff at super speed and see time slow down, just like Einstein said. Even GPS in your phone works because time moves a little faster for satellites in space. That's real time stretching. Going back in time though, we are stuck. Wormholes and cosmic strings are just ideas. No one's found them. Some smart people like Stephen Hawking said if we could go back, we would see time travels now. Where are they? Maybe they are hiding, or maybe it's not just possible yet. We don't know. What about the future? Scientists are still digging. They are studying tiny things called quantum particles that act strange, like they are connected across space in weird ways. Maybe that will give us hints about time. If we figure out black holes or find a wormhole, it could change everything. Time travel isn't just science, it's about us. Would we use it to fix things, see cool history, or accidentally break stuff? Movies like Terminator warn us to be careful. Right now, we can only go forward a little, but who knows what's coming? Science keeps moving, and that's exciting. So, is time travel possible to the future? Yes, we know how, even if it's slow for now. To the past, maybe, but it's super hard. We will need wormholes or something wild, and we are not there yet. It's March 17, 2025, and we are not riding with dinosaurs or robots from the future. But 100 years ago, people didn't think we would go to space either. Time travel is about dreaming big, wondering what's out there in the past and future. Maybe one day we will crack it. For now, keep imagining. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will catch you maybe in another time.